How to reduce photos file size. Yes, you are listening right. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about how to reduce size of photo. Online without any software, you can do it on your mobile, laptop, computer, wherever you want to do. So today we're gonna let you know on computer, PC. So what do you have to do? First of all, you have to go to the internet browser and over there you have to type compressor.io. That is the website compressor.io, and over here you can select any kind of web files from over here, that is should be maximum 10 MB in size. Select the file, and in my scenario I am selecting a photo that of mine, and one second, this one is the file that is 3.26 MB. I am selecting it. Many times it's required to reduced file size, and it's compressing over here, and it will show you how much KB or Mbps left right now. This is just 184 kbps left over here. Now you can download it and you can use it wherever you want to upload. This is the file that is created, and you can check out the file size. No big file size. This is just 184 kbps. So that's the way how you can easily reduce the file size, and hope you understood that how you can do so. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.